Hey there, Justin from Blaze. Today I'm going to show you how you can tune Autopilot to get even better content. To start, let's go to the calendar view. At the bottom of the screen, notice the Improve tool. This tool is designed to direct you to different parts of your Autopilot account that impact the content that Autopilot generates. Click the tool to open it up. Notice the pop-up window that appears. At the bottom of the pop-up window, there are different categories that you can choose from. When you select one of these categories, it's going to impact something that you want to change. Blaze will then provide some recommendations on how you can do that. Clicking Copy, for instance, will expand the pop-up window, showing you different ways that you can impact text-based content that Autopilot will generate. If you click Revise Your Brand Voice, Autopilot will then take you to the Styles and Voice page located in your brand kit. Here, you can review and edit each of these elements. Adjusting these will affect how Blaze understands your business. If I click on Edit next to the brand voice, and then add Knowledgeable to the tone, and then save my changes, when Blaze generates new content, it will use a more knowledgeable tone. You're going to want to take some time to review and tweak all of these elements that you see here, removing anything that doesn't work for your business and add anything in that's missing. Jumping back to the Improve tool, this works the same for other categories as well. Clicking Visuals will bring up a handful of areas inside of your Blaze Autopilot account that you can review and adjust to impact the visual design of your content. For instance, adding more images and videos to your brand kit will create more variety in the content that Blaze generates. Adjusting your visual content preferences can tell Blaze what kind of content you want it to generate, how to approach stock images and videos, and whether you want to include only video content or no video content at all. Editing the colors, fonts, and logos will change what Blaze uses when it designs your content. Over on the business context, you can adjust your calls to action, edit or define keywords, add source materials, edit your upcoming brand plan that Blaze will use to generate next week's content, or even update your brand profile. This is how Blaze understands what your business is, who your competitors are, and who your customers are. There's even a catch-all category that you can review if nothing else seems to fit. At the bottom of each of the categories is a Chat with Us feature that you can use to send our 5-star support team a message if you need even more guidance. All of these settings impact how Blaze will generate content in the future, meaning once you make these changes, if you don't do anything else, you won't notice anything new until the following week of content gets generated. If you want to see those changes reflected on your existing unposted content, you'll need to use the Regenerate tool to regenerate all of your content for that specific week. You can also select specific posts that you want to regenerate as well. We have a video that dives deeper into the Regenerate tool that'll pop out right here if you want to watch it. Okay, so now you know how to use the Improve tool to help Blaze take your content even further. If this video helped you at all, give it a like and make sure that you're subscribed to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date on all the ways that Blaze can help you grow your business.